All right, so today's video is going to be focused on Facebook ad creatives and how to make ad creatives that work or ad creatives that will help you to scale your account. So there's a lot of factors that will affect your CPA when you're talking about Facebook ads. But one of the big factors that can really move the needle and allow you to get really good results is good ad creatives. And this is where a lot of the marketing comes into play. There's a lot of other factors as well. Um, a lot of other factors that can affect this as well. Your landing page can affect this, the offer that you're promoting, your product itself, the product quality. There's a lot of things that can affect your ad performance, but one of the big ones is going to be your ad creatives. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to do this basically live. I've already pulled up an ad over here. I'm just going to do this pretty much live and go over the things that I noticed. So we'll go ahead and start with this one right here. So we're going to do an image ad, and this is from the brand Mudwater. If you're not familiar with what Mudwater is, it's basically like a coffee alternative that people drink, and they use, I believe it's a blend of mushrooms and a specific type of coffee beans, maybe. So let's go ahead and look at this and see what they've got going on. So this is the ad right here, if you can see this. And it looks very simple. And if you're looking at this at first, there's not a whole lot going on, but there's some things that they've done here that I think were intentionally done, which are probably contributing to why this ad may be working, because this ad has been running since December 9th, and right now it is February at the time that I'm recording this. So most likely this ad is probably performing for them, or it would have probably been turned off by now. So it is probably performing in some way for them. Otherwise, the ad would not still be active and still be running, I would say. So looking at this, just a few things you notice just looking at the image. So the first thing that I see here is they've got a headline right here. And this headline, it doesn't seem like there's very much special that's going on right here. But, one thing I'm noticing is there's a lot of contrast between the background and the text that they're using. So the text really stands out, and it's just right in front of my face, tells me exactly what I need to know. And it's not really something that looks like it's native to the platform. So the text kind of pops a little bit, almost due to the style of font that they've used. But it's very simple here with the messaging. It says jitter killer. So if you were to sum this product up and you were to sum up what is one of the main big benefits that somebody would buy this product for, most likely it is because maybe they drink caffeine, whether they drink energy drinks or whether they drink coffee on a regular basis. One of the main benefits that they've probably researched through doing market research and reading reviews and everything, I would bet you, is that people don't like the jitters that are associated with drinking energy drinks or drinking coffee. And so those are typically the types of people who would probably be open to trying this product, right? So what they've done here is they've created what's essentially a text hook right here at the top, basically a headline or a text hook, whatever you want to call it, for this specific image. And it just says jitter killer. As simple as they could possibly put it, what is the big benefit that this product actually solves? And this will help the ad to appeal to the right type of person. So even if they're using broad targeting and they're not going in and selecting interests that are related to coffee or whatever it is, the wording and the messaging in this ad and the visuals that are shown in this ad are going to affect who the ad is actually being shown to. So with this, for example, it says jitter killer. As simple as you can possibly get. Now, what is the image that they're using? Very focused on the product. It shows what you're actually getting, and it shows the product in a glass, which looks like a cold brew coffee. So in the image that they're using, the image appears to be similar to coffee. So this right here, it looks like a cup of coffee, almost like a really nice cold brew coffee that's been poured in a glass. It looks, expensive, almost like something you would get at a restaurant. And in the background, you can see what looks to be these nice, fresh ingredients. So, and then once again, when you've got this black package right here, you've got black text right here, and you've got this, the coffee in a glass, this all kind of pops when it's in a white background. So that's the other thing that I'm noticing. They've got black text, white background. So it really stands out, really pops. And it's so simply put that, it's direct and to the point, and there's no confusion about what this product actually solves in terms of solving a problem. And then once again, they're showing the product in use. So they're telling you what the product does. They're showing you the product in use. And you can read what actual mushrooms are included in this specific type of mushroom coffee or this coffee alternative, whatever you want to call it. So you can see all these different types of mushrooms that are included in their drink here. And this will probably also help with the targeting of this ad, because Facebook is going to be analyzing all the data and stuff that is in the ad to decide who to show the ad to. So if you can read all these ingredients in here, they may be picking up on this, and they may be using this data in this ad to help to better show the ad to the right type of person. So that's another little thing that I noticed. And then you can read right here, get $20 off your ritual kit. So they're promoting the offer in the headline. So for this headline right here that they're using, it's get $20 off your ritual kit. So if I'm somebody who's never tried this brand and I see this headline right here, for example, I'm saying, hey, I can try this for the first time and I can get $20 off. That sounds like a good offer to me. So that makes me want to click to learn more about this ad. And then the other thing you notice right here, they've got these little benefits right here that they're calling out with energy, immunity, no jitters, and focus. So once again, they're calling out some of the main benefits, probably benefits that they found through research of what their customers actually like. And you'll notice right here with the text, for the body copy in this ad, or for the primary text in this ad, they've got your mud water isn't coffee. So for this text right here, for the text in this ad, what is the first sentence that they have? And this is the first thing that they would see if this ad is popping up and they're actually reading this text, right? So after they see this ad creative right here, they may read the headline right here where it says get $20 off. And then they may read this and they'll see that first sentence that says mud water, which is their brand, isn't coffee. So already, once again, in the copy of this ad, they are mentioning coffee, they're mentioning tea, and they're telling you this is not coffee, so this is not coffee. It's basically like an alternative to coffee. Once again, making the messaging and the copy in this ad appeal to that type of person who doesn't want to get coffee. They want to find an alternative, right? So everything about the messaging in this ad is focused on basically people who are looking for an alternative to coffee, and this being a go-to alternative that they could try rather than using coffee. And their goal is to try to get people to actually switch to this. And then once again, they're coming in here and they're answering, probably some other objections and stuff that people may have, saying that they've worked with 2 food scientists to create a 100% organic blend with low caffeine, probably things that are important to their target customer, and 2,240 milligrams of functional mushrooms to give you energy, focus, and immune support without the jitters, gut problems, sleep disruption. So anyways, that is a breakdown of this image ad and some of the details that they've included in this ad. But, if you guys like this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more. But anyways, that is an example of one solid image ad that I found basically live. If there's a specific brand that you want me to review, or you have an image ad you want me to review, let me know your brand name down in the comments and I will take a look. Anyways, that's it for now. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. But let me know what you want to see next.